Closer, closer, closer than I ever been. Closer, closer, closer than I ever been. I just know we getting closer, 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 closer. I just know we getting closer, 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 closer than I ever been.
Yeah, I used to dream about showing the world what I dream about. Forget a mic, my whole life I thought it'd be the mouth. I guess it's fitting how life threw me the curveball. Pops told me work till you make it, man, then work more. I guess I took that to heart, cause I've been working harder now than I did at the start. And I won't stop till I get to the top, till I can give all of my fam all the things that they want. But there ain't no doubt I continue to be the doubted, but that's just motivating, so where would I be without it? Cause the same people asking why you're doing it will ask you how you did it. So fuck the critics, stay committed to your vision. They can't see it, it's yours. The top floor looks far when you can't get in the doors. But it's crazy what you can see with your eyes closed. That's why I stay in my grind mode. I know I'm getting
Closer, closer, closer than I ever been. Closer, closer, closer than I ever been. I just know we're getting closer, closer.
Alrighty, welcome in, welcome in.
I just know we're getting closer, 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 closer.
How y'all doing? Happy Tuesday.
My whole life's been a chase, it's a gift and a curse. Was on my way up to the top and slipped into reverse. And the same thing I thought killed me brought out the real me. And that's real, see. You gotta find what you love and let it kill you. Just gotta live with the will like Uncle Phil do. Cause on the real, everybody.
Alright, we're good.
When the sun don't shine,
Welcome in, everyone. Welcome in. Happy Tuesday.
Cause yo, I said it first, ain't no telling where I'm headed. So this is for the people that was with me when I said it. And when I said it, I meant it. I swear I won't forget it. Told my family and my friends that I'm forever indebted to this friend.
Closer, closer, closer than
Alrighty.
closer, closer.
Let's get into it.
Closer than I ever been.
W's in the chat. Let's go. I like it, I like it. We got motion.
I just know we're getting closer, 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 closer than I ever been. You start losing your mind when you're gone all the time and you always on the move.
Who's in that season right now?
Try to remind yourself
You're on the move, but man, you're starting to lose your mind a little bit.
you start losing your
Starting to lose the mind a little bit. That's good. That's good. You're not losing, you're finding. Woohoo. Let's go.
But I know we're getting closer, closer.
All right, I think we're ready to go.
Closer, closer, closer than I ever been. I just know we're getting closer, 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 closer.
All right, you gotta love it.
I just know we're
You gotta
getting
love it.
closer,
A lot of motion.
closer than I ever been.
Lot of
I just know
motion.
we're getting closer.
Who we got here? Only bands in the building. Let's go. Let's go. SK in the house. Yeah, energy in the building. Z Gamer in the house. What is up? What is up? What up, J Coop? What up, Exit Strat? What up, Wokey? Hey, yo, all right. The big M is here. What up, Serge? What up, Ryder? What up, Christian? 3 ants in the house. DeMarco, Yogi. All right, the winners are here. Gareth in the building. Danny Cash in the house. What up, Corey? Oh, damn. Okay, we got motion here today. We got motion. Do we got a government shutdown or something? Is that what I woke up to? About time. We don't need them anyway. I don't know why they think we still need them. I'm still. What up, Classic Trader? How you feeling? How you feeling? FX Champs in the building. What is good? What is good? What up, Arrow Sassy? What up, DT Gamer? Sheesh. All right. All right. What up, Mason? What's good? What's good? Curtis in the building. Let's go. Let's go. What up, Leonardo? All right. Damn. Okay. My goodness. Connor FX in the house. Let's go. We got motion here. What up, DJ Scratchers? What up, Daniel? Stephen B in the building. What up, Alston? Andy, what's good? What's good? Daniel, Danielle. I don't know if one's Daniel and the other's Danielle, or they're both. I don't know what's going on, but I see some winners. I see some power couples in the house. What's up, Gene? What is good? I like that. Daniel and Danielle. That'd be lit. I don't know. That might be the case. It might not. Welcome in. Sharma G in the building. Let's go. All right. Welcome in, everyone. Welcome in. www.youarethebest. What's good, Ron? Xcode in the house. The Viking is here. What's up, Ed? Ed Ward is here. Let's go. Ed Ward. Big W. Let's get it. All right. All right. Let's get started here, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome in. Welcome back to another New York live stream. It is Tuesday. It is the 3rd of February, and we're going to get going here. Another day, another opportunity for us to be patient, to be disciplined. We all know the goal, right? I don't know, man. My goal, 8-figure trader. I'm not making 10 million bucks a year yet, so we got a lot of work to do, and we're going to do that work here today a little bit every day. A little bit every day. All right, let me just get myself a little organized. There we go. All right, cool. All right, let's pray and then we'll begin, all right? Let's do this. Father God, I thank you for this group, Lord. I thank you for using me specifically to come in and impact and inspire and uplift and encourage this group right here, Lord. What a progression we have seen. We thank you not only for the change in the people and in their principles and in their morals, but we thank you for the financial increase as we've been seeing the progress from month to month. And Lord, we just thank you for your blessing upon this group. We just give you all the glory for the success in the past and also in the future. We thank you. In Jesus' name we pray. Amen. Amen. Wow. I got to talk to you guys about progression a little bit later, but let's go ahead and get into some chart stuff right now, and we'll chit chat a little bit later. Let me lower this music just a little bit. And let's begin. What's up, DeMarco? Good to see you. Christian, how you doing? Tamara's in the house. Let's go. Segan Slays in the building. Amen. Amen. Okay. Anyways, let's jump into it here. Today is again Tuesday. It is the 3rd day of February. So popped up in the we gotta update the record. Update. Yeah, we'll update that in just a moment. This U.S. government might be shut down. Yeah, I think that seems to be what's happening today. Just no news. I believe we were supposed to have some news tomorrow or today too, right? Jolts. Did we have Jolts job openings today? I think we did. So we'll see if ADP and all that continues in tomorrow and whatnot, but doesn't look like we have any red folders here today. So it'll be a strictly price action day for the most part here. And yeah, let's go see what we got in the when it comes to technicals here. If you guys can, give the stream a like for me, sub to the channel, and let's talk. Let's break it down. Philippe, you ready? Oh my God, Philippe, you're scaring the people. You're scaring the people with that one. My goodness. Let me zoom back out. There we go. There he is. All right. Okay, Philippe's ready. I'm ready. I hope you're ready. Let's go ahead and break this down here. Let's talk about gold. This is the daily time frame here, and looks like we did end up closing bearish yesterday. So beautiful session yesterday that we had. I hope you guys learned a lot there. I hope you made some money, but more importantly, learned a lot than made some money, because I know if you learn, you'll make money down the road, right? So looks like gold did end up. Let me just stretch this out a little bit. And let's talk about this. So we had a zone over here, right? So you had support sitting here, you had resistance here, and as we mentioned, when gold ran up and did this rally, right, it was a pretty long shot, but you know, we were anticipating that fact that we can come back down, retest that really the only resistance that we had, right, from when we took off here. And now look at that. I mean, that is almost perfect, right? Like the market is truly arced, and look at that retest of that zone. Pretty good there, right? We wicked down into the zone, we crossed through it, and we ended up closing back above it, right? And now we are starting to break the daily highs again. So let's jump down to the 4-hour, because there's clearly some sort of bullish rally going on, right? If there's a big move up from yesterday and already a really big move up here today. So let's drop down and see what that looks like here on the 4-hour chart. And there's your rally, right? So you got price moved up yesterday, we came down, we created support. This candle had no lower wick, right? Support here, and just ended up closing bullish above. Next candle ended up moving up. We talked about these buys in Asian session last night, and yeah, we've come up to this range now. So let's see what we do, because if we look, right, and if we're listening to the candles and trying to hear what they're trying to say to us, right? Well, we kind of have this resistance here, and you know, we closed pretty weak at the moment right at that level. So I'm really very curious to see what we do in between, you know, this area right here, if we begin to reject or if we begin to push through this white zone here. So very important zone, right, as we come into a lot of just a lot of like levels here. So you got wick, you got support, you have rejection already, and almost no lower wick. Almost looks like a 4-hour fade that could potentially be setting up, right? So we'll see. Let's drop down to the 1 hour. We're obviously very bullish here. So 1 hour has been ranging for a little bit since let's see here, since sheesh, London was choppy, huh? Choppy London sesh today. So 1 hour gives us some more information here, right? What does the 1 hour give us? I know you guys are looking at the chop, but I'm looking at the left here, right? So we got resistance over here to the left-hand side. We got the chop here. And look, we have not closed outside of this range. All right, I want you to visualize this other candle here. At one point, this candle was bullish, just like that. You would have never thought it would have came back, right? You would have thought that would have kept moving and moving and moving. At one point, it looked just like that. Look at the way it closed, right? So we got to be careful here. We need to, keep this little zone in mind. Let it protect us here when it comes to price action. Let's go ahead and see what these wicks represent here on the 15 and the 30-minute time frame, so we can see what the trading ranges are actually looking like here. So 1 hour, 30-minute. You obviously had this zone here, right? Maybe some potential buys on a closure, but you end up closing right at the top of the range. Let's go look left here. Yeah, so I think we're pretty good here. So buys above, what is this? Buys above, let me grab my, 59 here. So these buys don't look too bad. It looks like we actually did close slightly above 55 here too. So maybe if we can come down and make a steeper lower wick. Let me just see what this is, because if that's a wick on the 15, then okay, we can get ready to take some buys now if we get that steeper lower wick. But if that's an actual resistance, right, then I think we need to wait. I think we need to wait with everything being a little overextended at the moment too. So it is just a wick. So let's see if we can actually break the low here, right? Get a re-break of the low and then come up and break the highs, and then possible buy stops here to go up and fill that wick. I'm sure it's like 1,000 pips. Oh, wow. Only 81 pips. Okay, I think our ranges are back. I think we can go back to the GC charts here now. Wow. 103. We might have to stay here for maybe another day. But yeah, we'll see. I need a steeper lower wick, because we all know that if you enter here on the break of the high, there's a very, very high chance you're going to re-break that low, come down, make a steeper lower wick, and on the next break of the high, that's when you should get the wick fill and the move continuing up in that zone there. So keep in mind, the market knows the buyers are, if the buyers are in, their stops are sitting somewhere here, right? Or here, or here, or here. They're certainly not below there. So let's wait for those buyers to potentially get stopped out. If they do, we'll put a buy stop up here, and then we'll see where we can go from there. All right. Cool. Too overextended. We need liquidity here. So we need some sort of break of the lows. Otherwise, we just let it go, right? And look, if we do let it go, by the way, this is what we wait for, right? So we let it go. It moves up. And all we do now is we either capitalize on the sells, right, if we get an opportunity, or we wait for support to form. We get an opportunity to get the volume to kick in, and then we take buys from down here. All right, so I don't care about letting this move go. If it wants to go up, that's fine. I'll catch it somewhere along here, or maybe even catch it somewhere up here for the sells. But I don't think right now, until we break that low again, that we should be getting involved here. So we're going to wait and, yeah, see what happens. We'll see what happens. We're a little overextended, just a smidge. All right, so we'll see if we break that low. We should, and if we do, we'll wait on that, and then we'll put the order in. So that is gold here. Let's see if let's just see if we break the low before we get into NQ and all that. How'd you guys do in London? Looks pretty choppy to me. Yeah, maybe. No, not really. Yeah, no bottom wick here, I'm sure. No good here. Yeah, maybe here. I don't know. If this candle had a low, maybe not. Right at, yeah. Nah, I probably wouldn't have taken anything here in London. Probably wouldn't have taken a thing. Especially on the 30-minute. Little too choppy. Little too choppy. If forex, it never broke out. All right, well, definitely don't take this if you guys are trading forex. All right, we'll see if we break this low. What up, Lucas? How are you, brother? And let's wait. So let's go over to NQ here. Let's do a fresh top-down analysis on the NASDAQ. We took sells last night in the Asian session. Right here, little celery play on the 15-minute. Pretty good move. Pretty good move. All right, let's do a fresh top down analysis here. So we got moving upright. So we actually did end up closing bullish. We have no lower wick on the candle yet, so we'll keep an eye on that lower wick. The 4 hour did close bearish, so that's also probably the start to a potential lower wick, right, coming into play. We already broke the 4 hour lows. We respected the highs. I think if we can re-break at some point, then the move down actually does look pretty good here, right? So again, daily almost no bottom wick. So let's see, we're at resistance over here to the left. We got a resistance formed here, so we'll see about the 4 hour moving back down. Let's take a look at the 1 hour. 1 hour is trying to pump down, right? You got a nice move coming down here. Big engulfing candle. We'll see what we do here with this candle, but overall, I mean, if you close bearish, again, that should be the start of the move down here today, right? If you can close something like this, I like potential sells, yeah, on the next candle moving down. So let's take a look at the 30-minute. 30-minute is ranging just a little bit. We got support here, so that can help us out. Let's take a look at the 15. 15 looks clean. Yeah, honestly, closures below, not bad. I mean, we anticipate that 4 hour starting to move back down, that daily coming down for that lower wick. I mean, that looks pretty good here. So I may base my analysis off of that here today and look for either buys back above 92 or sells below 84. Everything looks pretty clean. I'll probably use this as a no trade range here. And then anything above, all right, anything above looks pretty good. You got that wick to fill. You also got that range fill. And then anything below here, right, looks very good too. You got the wick to fill again, and then the range fill here. So NQ looking good. Not looking bad at all. Not looking bad at all. Okay. Yeah, we'll see what happens. Did gold end up breaking the low? I don't think it did. I don't think so. All right, cool. All right, yeah, if it wants to run here, so be it. 1 hour is still open. All these 1 hours have consolidated, right? If we actually had strong candles on the 1 hour, then possibly I'd be getting in off this lower wick, but not in this case. Not in this case. You guys got to correlate everything, right? You got to correlate it. So until like there's a real like 1 hour closure, right? Again, this 1 hour candle was way up there as well. This 1 hour candle was extremely bearish at one point, but none of them were actually able to do anything, right? So you really want to wait for one to step up and show you, hey, I'm closing strong, right? Outside the range, I am the direction, right? And then go based off that. B21 in the building. What's good? What's good? Let's get the clubhouse chat up and running here. What is up? What is up? Ooh, do we have little graphics? Ooh, we might have a big game going. Big pickleball game coming down today. Yeah, it's going to be big. The face-off was intense. It was intense. A 5 minute? 5 minute? 5 minute? Yeah. The 5 minute. We got our closures coming up on the 15 in about 3 minutes. Oh, opening the bookies. Oh yeah, there's bets being placed. I forgot. That's right. I forgot all about that in Asian. Yeah. Oh yeah. So there's inside bets going on. If I'm just kidding. What up, Pablo? How are you, brother? Did I get NQ trade? Did I get BE? Yeah, I got break even on this point because I'm sorry. I got break even on this account because I only traded one contract on this one, but on my Top Step account, I was able to close some partials. How long does it take to answer through the contact page? If you hit us on the email, one of the worst times to hit us on the email is probably from like 2 a.m. to like 4 a.m., right? Because we're sleeping over here on the East Coast, right? So anytime after like 4 or 5 a.m., you're probably quicker to get a response like in a quick manner. So keep that in mind. If anything like 2 a.m. Eastern to like 4, like chances are you're not going to hear back from us till like 4:35. 16 green days, 1 red day. Let's move this over. We got to fix that. Let's adjust the what the heck is this thing called? What is it called? The record. All right, so yesterday we ended green. Today we're still We're still working today. So let's switch the record up. Let's go to the monthly win rate. And let's make that 1. Let's make that none. And let's give it a fresh start. Let's go to the win rate itself and let's add 1. And that's it. Boom. Updated. Updated. Let me give you guys a big update too on the clubhouse. I want to hear a staggering stat. Anyone want to hear a crazy stat? So we're starting to look at the numbers now and the payouts or whatever, and from the clubhouse. So you have basically. Let me go over to it here. Where is it? So pretty much, listen to this, man. So February of 2025, where'd the numbers go? Okay, so February of 2025, basically, which means last year, right? This time last year, the total amount of payouts were $19,000, 19 grand in payouts from Clubhouse members, right? This month, it is the what's today? The 3rd, right? In this month, on the 3rd day of the month, we are already creeping on $30,000. We're probably over it. This was last night. $30,000 in payout profits from the Clubhouse members here. So what we did last year in a whole month, we've already basically done in 3 days. 3 days. So people be asking, can you really make money in the Clubhouse? Don't they just talk about the same things all the time? I don't have to say a word. I mean, I guess I don't have to say anything these days, right? These days. So, man, congratulations to everyone in the Clubhouse, moving and grooving. I'll be honest, my payout was only, so let's say there's 30,000. I mean, I only really brought in 13 of that, right? So all the rest of it is from other Clubhouse members and everything. So congratulations to you guys, right? We're kind of all getting to the bag now and all making money now, and it's a beautiful thing to experience. Bags are full. Exactly. Yo, but I thought that stat was incredible, and you can really measure progress. Right, you can really measure progress, and you want to. Oh man, is everyone learning? You know, especially as a leader, sometimes you think, are they getting it? Are they understanding it? Is it helping them? Right? Can I do it better? Can I say it better? Can I show it better? Right? Like you just, and then to see that result, it's like super like confirming. Like, okay, you know, like what we're doing is working. What we're teaching is working. Let's not change a thing. Let's just continue to improve and continue to get better. You know, how can we double, triple, quadruple what we did last, right? And continue to go from peak to peak to peak to peak as a group and as a team, right? So congratulations, gang. As a team, last year we did 19 grand in the full month, and as a team this year we've done over close to 30 G's in February, and that's only been 3 days. So big W. Congratulations. Congrats. Let's take a look at the NASDAQ here. Did we close below? So I think we did get, we didn't close yet. Okay, so let's wait here. We got a 31-hour closure coming up, possible 15 did close. Let's see if we can get a 15 celery, kind of like yesterday. My last 3 trades have all been celeries, or last 2. So let's see if we can get a third. Pretty cool, right? Pretty cool. What up, Sam, man? Pretty cool. By the way, speaking of improvements and upgrades, and we've got a new feature coming to the Clubhouse, a new perk, so to speak, that I think you guys are going to be super excited and grateful about. There's going to be we're not going to. It's basically something that people would pay extra for, but we're just going to include it in the Clubhouse membership, right? So it is going to be an amazing perk, an amazing feature, not just for your trading itself, but for your overall mindset, mentality, emotional state. I mean, I promise you, we're going deep. We're going to make this one of the greatest communities that ever hit the internet. We're going to make trading communities great again. I promise. No one's doing this. No one's got it on lock the way we got it. And with this new feature and this new perk that we're adding, you guys are going to be ecstatic. Clubhouse dating channel? Oh yeah, that's coming too. Don't worry. Don't worry. So what's your favorite setup, honey? I like the breakout. What do you like? I'm a big celery guy, you know. Back rubs included. Yeah. It's gonna be good. It's gonna be good. Yep. First day here. Let's go. Welcome. Welcome. AM, he's ready. The YouTube being behind is something I gotta get used to. Oh yes. I think supposedly if you like, there's a way to speed it up a little bit. I think if you speed up the, yeah, actually no. What am I saying? There's no way you could speed up a live stream. Maybe you get it a little quicker. Anyway, whatever you do, don't bring onions out on the first date. Hey, so I heard you're into the playbook. Yeah, me too. What's your win rate? Shorty's like, so, what's your win rate, stud? You're like, well, check it out. I got a 75% win rate, 92% daily win rate with less than a 1 R. Whoa, impressive. Impressive. What up, Magnus? Clinky's in the house.
Yo.
The Viking is here. What do you think, Magnus?
Everybody loves onions, bro.
TTE online? TTE dating app?
Oh, yeah. It's going to be a nice...
Honey, honestly, you all of a sudden you can hear about like breakup stories. Honey, I can't do this anymore. I just can't. How many times are you going to break the playbook? How many times are you going to buy with no bottom wick? I can't.
Yo.
I can't. It's over. It's over.
That's too funny.
Some of y'all are in the dating. You know, there's a dating channel right now. It's called the payout channel. There you go, ladies, gentlemen.
How about profits right now?
Let's go see who's getting the profits. You know. All right, let's get
cool,
Clinky
man.
Up here. 1 sec. Did I spotlight?
You cheated with FPG. Nah. Oh, that one's wild.
Oh, snap. Too
How
funny.
you feeling, Nick?
Incredible, brother. You?
Yes, sir. Incredible, too.
Nice.
Let's get it.
Nice. Here we go. Can we break the low? Let's go,
Looking
Gold.
good here. Coming into 9.
Yeah. How was London? A little choppy?
Yeah, a little choppy. We had a beautiful sell cooking, right? And then we drove down in the last minute when it was about to close perfect. Filled the whole range.
What time?
It was like on a 15.
Oh, 15.
Up there, you see the inverted celery kind of?
Oh, here?
Up there?
Oh, up
No,
here.
more to the left. Up there. We were about to close resistance right below the resistance over there to the left. Because that inverted celery was above range. So we were about to close like perfectly smooth below.
I see.
Beautiful cells. But then we drove and filled the whole range in the last minute.
Damn. Gotcha. Yeah, happens.
Yeah,
It's almost like
happens.
the worst that could happen.
Yeah, exactly. And the pros now, so this is the separation time because the pros now, they wait, right? We waited now to New York session, see the next best trade. We said, on to the next best trade, nothing we can do about it. It's out of our control. But the amateurs got in right after. Maybe revenge traded, took another trade that wasn't playbook. You know, that's how the loop goes on and on and on, right?
Yep, exactly. So not us. We wait it out, wait for the next best setup, and then we execute then.
That's it.
So basically, we'll see if we can get this. There's some potential to move down here, right? With the 4 hour and whatnot, we broke the highs there. I'm probably mainly looking for the buys though, like a little bit of a retest or something. But I am open to seeing if we can get like a good closure here and possibly take sells. What I would really like is for maybe this candle to move down, closure like down here, stay above the range, retest the zone, and then have the next candle close back above. And then our entry would basically be like re-breaking the highs of the 4 hour almost. And now we got, a real true like breakout off support. You got this candle up here with no top wick, right? That we can look to fill, and then basically the move looking like that for me.
Yeah.
Clean
That looks
support
good right
being
there.
formed. Get a clean support here. clean breakout, clean range to the left, 9:30-ish, you know, high time of volume, and then yeah, see if we can move up in the zone here.
Good morning, Simz. Good morning.
Simz in the house.
Simz.
Let's get it. Let's get it.
Yes, sir. Let's get it.
Let's see. Onions. How often do you get a payout from the same account? Sometimes I don't. You know, sometimes I don't. Sometimes I blow the account, take a payout, blow them, get new accounts. Yeah, so there was only one time. So the longest I ever went was I think it was 5 XFAs at one point for 3 rounds of payouts. So that was the most I've ever went before blowing an account. Usually I'll take bigger payouts and then just blow the account. Like if I blow XFAs right now, basically let's do the math, right? So I had 5 XFAs. That was $500. It cost me $750 to activate them, so $1250, right? And then I made $2,400, not on 5 of them, on 4. So it was like $2,470 or something. $2,470 times 4. So I made $9,800 right off of that. $9,880 off of that $1,200 investment. So minus what, $1,250. So I made $8,600 in a matter of a week, 2 weeks. 2 weeks, yeah. So my thing now is, if I blow the accounts, I really don't care. And I don't mean to say that like, you know, I'm like just whatever, sim farming, but I kind of am. So I really don't, it doesn't matter, right, to me. So I already made $8,600. I don't mind putting $1,200 back in. Now, I'm not just going to blow it like immaturely, right? I want to try and secure another payout here now. But if I don't, it's really not a big deal because I'm still ahead of the game in terms of investments, and all I got to do is really, you know, put another maybe $1,200 in, actually less than that if I wanted to, and then do it all over again. So yeah, that's my look. My whole thing with prop firms is ROI, right? So if we can get the ROI on it, I'm good to go. I don't need to hang on to accounts long term. I just need to get paid. That's all, right? So as long as I'm getting paid. Now, look, if I'm on a live account, my thought process is just a little bit different, right? I'm not going to be just risking things and trying to, you know, blow things and do them all over again, right? So there's a difference between trading your live account, right, with your real money versus trading some prop fake demo account that you can just receive an ROI on based on your initial investment. So yeah, that's kind of my thoughts. And then going back to your question, there was the best I ever did was I took like this same 1250 and times that, like got like one 8K payout, right, 2 8K payouts, and a 5K payout or something like that. So that was the best I ever did on my original investment. And that's the way I look at it. I don't look at it blowing accounts or, oh my God, I'm not good at trading. I just look at it, okay, I put 1250 in, made 98 back. Let's run that again, right? I don't care if I blow accounts in the meantime. It is what it is.
Exactly. When you already achieve your ROI, why would you care if you blow the account or not?
Yep.
Really?
Yep.
You already achieved what you want there.
Right. And again, I'm not gonna like just go ahead and try and blow the account. You know what I'm saying? But yeah. And I basically take payouts every 2 or 3 weeks. I mean, I've been taking payouts almost every like 3 weeks ish for, you know, months and months and months now. So I think every couple of weeks I tend to get a nice big payout. It just depends, you know. Sometimes I got 2 accounts going. Like I just took a payout here on Top One Futures as well for another 3,000, and now I can kind of start my run again with this one here. So yeah, so I've been trading this account from how do we get out of that today? What did I do there? I'm not sure, but basically been trading this since the 19th of December. So a nice little climb here. Took 2 payouts on this account already. So we'll see if we can get a third one and match my my record here. Gold buy is too overextended. This happens every time. Yeah, this is nothing new to me. You know what I'm saying? When you show up here every day and you watch the candles and you understand the markets and you understand the time and all that and what time it is, you already know that this is going to be, you know, 85% chance we'll wick up and then just start driving down. So, yeah. Is it a little bit of experience, you know?
Yep.
How often from the same account, like bi-weekly? I would say every 3 weeks or so, I'm good for a nice fat payout. So it might be from Top One, it might be from Top Step. You know, it could be either account. Like recently, like I think it was the other day. The other day I took just 12 grand in one day, right? 3 grand from Top One or 2,700, and then whatever it was, over 8,800 or something with Top Step. So it just depends. Just depends where I'm at on my accounts. Now I got all fresh builds, so I need at least 5 days on Top Step. I need at least a new percentage here on Top One. So now, you know, I probably don't plan on getting another payout until at least the 11th, right? And maybe even like this week of the 16th here. So yeah, because now I got to get back to work and build the payout back up. But that's what we do, you know, and we have fun doing it. All right, so we do get a closure here on gold. We get a 30 closure here as well. 1 hour candle close, pretty strong bullish above the range here. So damn, 1 hour still. I'm sorry, 4 hours still bullish. 1 hour bullish. Sheesh. Yeah, I think what we can do is just wait on the 15 closure here. I'm not too interested in the sells because that 1 hour here closing above this range is dangerous. Dangerous, especially with the 4 hour being bullish. So to be honest, I'm still pretty bullish for the most part. Like, yeah, this isn't too convincing just yet for me. So I think I'm going to stick to the buys here. Possible support here. This is what I wanted to see, a move back down into 47. So let's see what we do at 47 and all that good stuff. It's 9 a.m., so it's the open of the new hour. Now that we've retested the zone, I think if we can get support, then the idea of move back up looks good. Wow,
yeah,
first minute.
The same 47 there.
Yeah, you never really closed below here either, right? So,
No, so we really have nothing to do down here below the range. So now we're not really so bearish just because we're moving down now. We could at least get that fake out maybe 9.15, 9.30, something.
Yeah, maybe even a celery play here.
Yeah, but I'm in that, definitely.
But that would be for the hour, so we probably wouldn't be looking for that. Any sort of support that gets formed now, I'm game. So support or a move back above, right? And closure above on the 30-minute looks good, or 15 is fine too.
100%. We got Mr. Gems here and Rafi.
Janny Gems?
The whole squad. Jenny Gems. Jenny.
Do you trade everything here in Clubhouse? Like 85% of my trades, yeah. Yeah, because we stream the Clubhouse during like the best trading hours, so every now and then I'll be tiptoeing outside of those trading hours, but for the most part, I'd say 80% of my trades are either here or, you know, with you guys somewhere. What up, Nathan? Johnny Gems. Rafi. The boys are here.
The squad.
Jan, how are you?
Yo, what's good, boys?
Hey, how are you?
What up?
How you boys feeling?
Good morning.
Fantastic.
Good morning.
Unbelievably great.
Awesome, brother.
How about you?
Love to hear that. Yes, sir. Same here. Feeling great, blessed and highly favored. Ready for a new day.
Let's get it.
What's up, chat? How y'all feeling, chat? Good to see y'all. I'm excited to be patient, disciplined to the plan today. Let's go.
Sir.
It's gonna be a good day.
What up, Rafi?
Well, good morning.
What up,
How are
Rafi?
you?
Bing,
What up, Rafi?
bang,
How we
boom.
doing? How we doing, brothers? Clubhouse.
Morning, bro.
How we doing? YouTube. How we doing?
Fantastic. How about
Day.
you?
Really good.
Bless, man. Bless. We're back with the winners
Hey,
to
how
do
are
what
you?
we do best.
Yo.
Wait and execute. That's what we
Exactly.
do best.
Sure.
Nobody else in the game waits longer and execute better than us.
Like a hungry lion.
Number says it all.
The ball don't lie, bro.
It's called aggressive patience. Aggressive
Yeah.
patience.
Exactly.
That's it.
Be aggressive with your patience and ruthless with your execution. That's how you gotta be.
That's what I'm gonna be seeing today on the court.
Sir. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
That's-
Oh yeah. We got a big game going on. I seen they made a
I
whole
forgot, bro.
graphic for it and everything. All right.
I know, bro.
Sheesh. It's getting
teammates
pretty
on that.
intense.
Oh yeah. We're teammates now.
Yeah.
I
Right
know.
now we're teammates.
I'm not gonna want to talk to Nick, bro, if we talk about this. JK.
Oh man.
Place your bets, people.
Do I trade with Apex? I have not traded with Apex. No. Nope. How can you trade gold these days? The stop loss being so big, yeah, it's crazy. So I just go down to the MGC chart and lower my position sizes.
Yeah, it's basically exactly the same. If you just focus on structure,
That's
when
really
it's
all
just
we do.
adapt.
Yeah.
Yeah, bro. Risk management. That's what they call it.
Yeah.
Bro, I'm liking the buys here a lot.
Yeah, me too.
What about you? You too? Nice.
Yeah, same here.
Cool.
Looking good, looking good.
Pickleball match.
Let's see NQ here. I think we got a closure, right? Yeah, so we got
Done.
a closure.
Team that.
No, that one in London too.
Yeah.
Yeah, NQ not too bad here either. You got a 1 hour resistance, 30 minute, 15 looks good. I think I just want to wait on gold here though. I hate taking two trades. Let's see. Gold coming back up. I think I'm most likely waiting on gold here. Well, NQ
Yes,
got
same.
930 sitting around here too, so
Yeah.
yeah, I think I'll just wait.
Nick, I heard there's a pickleball match tonight, or
Today.
actually today.
Today, yeah, I guess so. Let's run it. I'm excited about it.
Chad, who we betting on?
We're live streaming it, I think, or something like that, right?
Okay.
Oh yeah,
IG
it's
Live.
gonna be streamed.
We're
Do an
streaming.
Instagram live. That'd be sick.
Yeah, we do like an
Uh-huh.
IG live or something.
We're gonna.
That'd be so fun.
Maybe we can record it from like the park, so you can see, because it's tough to get the angle of like the whole court. So we'll just have to
exactly.
we'll just have to back the camera up a little bit.
Maybe Joe can record. Maybe Joe could be the cameraman.
Not
20
maybe,
pips on John.
definitely.
Okay.
Yeah, definitely. Joe could be the cameraman. Be like, psh, psh.
Joe would do the whole thing. He'll do an announcing, and all that.
Facts, yeah. He would, yeah. Let's get a chat.
Let's go. I'm
I
excited.
see y'all. I see
I'm
y'all.
excited. Wiz Buddha, you don't want it. Wiz Buddha got me on ping pong, but pickle,
Yeah.
I could probably compete a little bit better.
I'm gonna smoke with Buddha and Pickle, bro. Go with Buddha.
YouTube, do it on YouTube. Oh man, if we did it on YouTube, that'd be epic.
Could.
YouTube live stream.
Betting all those pips on John.
How do I do it on YouTube though? How do I get my I gotta bring the camera out there. Like somehow we have to tap in. Like maybe I just do it on my phone.
I think
Yeah,
Instagram
I
Live.
think you can do it on the phone. Yeah.
Oh wait, you could do it. YouTube
Yeah.
Live on your phone. Yeah.
That's true. That's true.
Yeah, you could. Just to set the tripod up. Just put one of your tripods with.
Yeah. What's we gonna do? We got it. We got
Chad,
it.
if there was ever a time to over risk, it'd be on these bets here today. On me. Let's go.
Oh snap.
Now it's okay to over risk.
Yep. This is we're going A sides here, fam. A plus.
Oh yeah.
No
Now
stop.
it's just the question is on who.
Yo.
Who? Is pickle? Yeah, pickle's similar to. I guess it's similar to tennis. I really don't know like the game of tennis too well, but from like a
Kinda.
outside perspective, I guess it's similar. Yeah.
It's like paddle, tennis, and pickleball. It's like three of this kind of the same kind of thing. Just a smaller, minor, different changes.
Let's run it. I would on NQ personally. Just from me watching it over the last couple weeks, I would honestly be careful here. You might break the lows and like bounce back up with 930 coming in and all that stuff. Looks like you did break the low, right? Yeah. So I would be careful a little bit before 930 here. You just never know. This is still a pair that I'm learning and sample sizing. So watching right now is just a little bit more important to me than executing. So I'm just watching here. I want to see how we do, especially in this like pre 930 area. Like I want to see like, could we be safe looking for the opportunities before 930, right? And then like, kind of getting out and waiting for 10 a.m. So I'm just observing. I'm not afraid to watch and study and all that stuff for a little bit.
Same.
Look at that.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's funny.
That's
Yo, I
hilarious.
didn't even know you were here, John.
I know. I was
Yeah.
gonna say, like, when do you go there? When you go to Denmark,
Man goes
Yeah.
to Denmark
I
right
took a
after the
quick trip
game.
there, bro. Took a quick trip, weekend trip, bounce, and then bounce.
Yo,
Had to get back, had some plans.
I got you over here, brother. If you win the game, just pull over.
Yes, sir, bro. I know you're you got me on the bets.
Yes, sir.
So,
YouTube would be good. YouTube would be good actually. Instagram though, Instagram I got a lot of following on Insta too, so I think a lot of the following is there as well. If you guys aren't following me on Instagram, you guys could follow me right here. It's my page. Try and hit me up if you have any questions, or maybe you're probably best at doing that here in these chats than in some of the DM chats. But yeah, if you guys want to follow along the journey, this is it. And we might be live
Follow
here
me.
today. Should I put live pickleball? Live pickleball today?
do it, bro.
You do it.
Also, if you guys aren't following TT_profits, this is where we post a lot of our trades that we take here on the live stream. A lot of some of the just the interesting concepts that we talk about, like this one from the other day. Who remembers that one, right? Like just some interesting thoughts that we have from time to time. So yeah, go ahead, follow
Mr.
this
Stu.
page. Again, this is like a course in itself. I always tell people.
Facts, bro.
Yeah.
Hey, you just binge watch Nick's reels on that TT profit page. You're gonna have a lot of knowledge in about a week.
Definitely.
Oh yeah,
But
you can,
yo, YouTube. Oh, sorry, Nick.
no, go ahead.
I was gonna say, yo, YouTube. I have a question for y'all. That I asked this question to
I'll be
the
right back.
clubhouse last night in Asian session. All right, but YouTube, what's your goals today here in trading? Today is a new day trading the markets, but what's your goals? Because there is right or wrong answers according to the pros. I'm curious to know what everyone's goals are. I know my goals. I know the clubhouse goals because we talked about it last night. Let's see it. Put people on the spot. We'll really know where their mindsets are at.
Let's get it.
Hey. Let's go. Correct. Correct.
Ooh, I like YouTube.
Correct.
Let's get it too.
Where does it go? Buy or sell? Either.
Buy yourself. W. Hell yeah. That's what I like to hear. Following the plan, bro. That's where maturity happens, bro. That's where you decide which path you want to go. Because there's two paths, pro, amateur, right? That says it all, right? Because they both have two different goals each day. The amateur's goal is to be green every day. The professional trader's goal is to follow their plan every day. All right. So which one are you, right? Which path are you going to take? What's your goals today? Because guess what? What you input today is what you're going to output tomorrow, right? So it's super important. Like we cannot sleep on today. Most people sleep on today because they're so focused on like yesterday or tomorrow, but it's like today is what makes us better. Today is what creates our reality tomorrow. So today is all that counts, right? So stay here today, following the plan today. That's the rep. That's what counts the most. If you do that, yo, you're going to be on your way to the pros tomorrow on that professional result. So let's get it. W mentality. Yep. And my goal today is to win in pickle and follow my trading plan. Nice one. You know, I really think that like your trading rules, right? That's your solution to your trading problem. So if you follow your trading rules today, your problems yesterday, today, and tomorrow will leave and disappear by just simply focusing on today and being good here today. Trading rules cure trading problems. Let's go. What's up, noobs? Yes. W. How much am I going to risk? My normal size on the next best trade. Usually like 1 and 2 GC.
Good luck with that in these ranges here.
Oh yes, snap. I forgot we're in 200 pip ranges here. So yeah, I'll probably go down to the MGC definitely.
Just light 200 pips. That's fine.
Yeah.
At least.
Yeah.
At least.
Literally. I meant MGC, yeah.
Yeah. Usually though, just GC.
Yeah.
1 to 2.
Usually GC.
Maybe 3.
Yeah. Yep. Yeah, we need some merch. Facts.
Yo, John.
Yo.
This is Giuliani Massarelli. Did you get that life insurance in place that you inquired on the other day? I don't know, man.
Funny.
How much money you got? A lot. How much money? Yo, that kid is hilarious. Next. Yo, I'm done, man. I could watch that kid for like 15 minutes straight.
So your family's protected?
So I told you to stop calling this number. So does that mean your family's protected? Oh, man. Yeah, we're protected. And what did you get the coverage with? Like, I just love that, man. This guy's hilarious.
Yeah, bro.
His hand motions are insane.
Yeah, man.
They've made like AI on him now. It's so funny, dude. How much money you got?
It
A
is,
lot.
I've seen
How much money you got? A lot. He starts dancing. He gets rejected on the phone on a sales call, and he just boom hits his music and just starts. Oh man, this kid's hilarious. Hilarious.
Hilarious. Yeah.
I love the one where it's like, how much money you got? A lot. How much?
I love that one.
Next. He goes next. Yo, the kid's hilarious.
That's the type of energy you gotta bring.
Yo,
bro,
if you're gonna be working sales and all that, yeah, you gotta bring that energy.
For real. Yeah, I seen the Jordan Belfort AI cover, yo. That was
Yeah,
hilarious.
that's hilarious, dude. He does all the hand motions exactly how Belfort was doing it. Yo, the kid's blowing up on
Word.
social media. 500,000 followers. This was at like 100K probably last month. Man's blowing
Wow.
up. Christopher. I'm gonna share him. Let me find him.
He's like, do I know you? He knew his first name. And the other guy didn't even know him.
Nah, this dude's hilarious. I gotta find the main one. How much money you got?
And that dance move he does.
His dance moves are hilarious.
Bird.
This guy. All right, maybe someone could send me on Instagram the other one, the how much money you got one. That one is hilarious. Dun, dun. Wow, gold melting here. NQ looks like it did move too. Move down, right? Yep.
Wow, Goldie here.
Goldie.
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 15 no top wick still though. So let's see.
Let's take a look at the 4 hour here. 4 hour possibly moving down.
insane.
Let's see. We
Look
gotta
at
see
that,
if we,
like 4 hour to the left too. We got resistance. That's what we looked at in London too.
yeah, right here.
Yeah, right there.
Are those my new paddles? Yeah, exactly. I don't mind shouting him out because he's funny, dude. And if any of you guys are in sales, like, you guys should check him out. I don't mind. I like it. I like that kid.
He's funny, but he's doing a good job though.
Oh, he's crushing it.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, let me get back to the chat here. Show us the video. I would, but I don't want to give you guys the top of my head. I'd rather answer questions. Maybe somebody else could find the video, send it over, and then we'll play it on here. I'm going with you with 5 contracts. That's how much I trust. Hey, Pablo. Now, you trust me that much? What's your the last 4 of your social and the last 3 on the credit card? Good day, coach. Yo, it's good. Yeah, we were looking at sells on NQ. Yeah, they made sense. Again, I'm still studying NQ a little bit, so I just wait. You know, I watch certain things, so I didn't want to jump in before 9:30 here. So again, new to consistently trading NQ, so it's still a pair that I'm like watching and working on and studying and all that good stuff. But Goldie.
Interesting. Even though the 30 closes below here, the next 30 of that 1 hour would still likely to pull up here. So it would actually make sense still to get like a new support above that zone you marked off.
Yeah,
Looks
like
good.
my original plan here on gold was not to take these buys, was to wait for a pullback and make sure it closes above here. So that was my original plan this morning, right? So again, it doesn't matter if it comes in here or all the way down. It's just, will it close back above or very weak, right? And then if it does, I already know what I'm looking for, that move back up and stuff. So yeah.
Boom.
And then,
That's it.
if you break that high, you're going to get runners here today because 4-hour highs are sitting up there.
That daily
Sounds
could be
like a plan.
insane.
Yeah.
That's what I'm waiting for as well. You look left too. It's like last time we closed above there. Nice push up.
Yep. Yeah, exactly. Just wait on it.
Just wait on it.
Just wait on it.
And then it looks like we ranged after London session and into pre-New York, just ranging.
Yeah, I know, right? Damn, what a range. I saw New York Open. I was like, wait, what? Have I refreshed the page here? Or?
Nah.
This is the one. This is how much money you got. A lot. How much money you got. Just picture him jumping up and down,
Yo, what's the name of the
singing
guy?
that song. Giuliani, Massarelli.
Juliana, let me just find that real quick.
Sounds like he's from Boston.
I don't know where he's from, but he's hilarious.
Boston.
Yeah, Henrik. Yeah, butterwick on the daily. That would be, that would be nice, but we don't need to because we can make it tomorrow too. It doesn't need to happen on this daily candle. The daily, I mean, we have it in the back of our mind, but it's like mostly the 4-hour time frame that's determining the bias here and the overall structure that we see now. So we can't focus too much on the daily here now.
You think about it, it's like the daily that lasts is 24 hours, right?
Yeah.
We're not trading for 24 hours. We're trading this session. We're here. I'll be here for 4 hours or so. So the 4 hour is perfect for the session bias. All right, where are we anticipating this 4-hour candle to go? I'll be here for 4 hours. All right, bet.
Yep.
Perfect.
Exactly. Yeah.
That's our bias.
We just noticed we got a better read. We got a more precise read when we paid more closer attention to the 4-hour for a bias versus the daily. So we used to leave it to the daily, but then we would miss a lot of moves, right? That just made sense on like for the session itself. Like maybe it didn't make sense for the overall 24-hour picture, but for the 4-hour in the session and the time being, right? That trade made sense and we would miss it a lot. But then we would go down to the 4-hour and then we started studying that, and pretty much now we just allow the 4-hour to be our session, give us our session bias, while the daily, like Magnus said, we just kind of keep that overall idea in the back of our head, knowing what the daily is currently doing. It just tightens you up. It just tightens your analysis up a little bit too, gives you a better view of the market, more like precise and at the moment type of
Exactly.
ideas.
Yeah, and what we really have been doing is just built in that daily candle, right? So we know like in London session, we were bullish now. We might also be bearish here for New York or later in the session here when the 4-hour next one closes. So it's all about building that daily out. And it's kind of hard to see now when we have these conditions here with the daily, but in normal circumstances, it's pretty much just building that daily candle out from London session and all the way down over to the Asian session again.
Yeah, building it day by day. Or session by session, and that's
4 by 4 hour. Yeah.
that's one thing we learned too with like just opening the clubhouse is now we started tuning into like every session. So that's where we realized, okay, the 4-hour itself could actually guide us in each individual session versus just the overall picture of the daily. So it really started by us trading Asian, London, New York, like every single day, and then we started putting that together. So okay, cool, like can we build out the daily candle session by session, right? 4-hour, because look, you could have a bearish, let's say the daily closes bearish, right, and the 4-hour closes bullish. So you have this daily candle. Now this wick on the daily candle, what that looks like on the 4-hour is obviously going to be a bullish candle, right? So although you have a daily bias coming into the new day, if we're going to open up on this daily candle, we're likely to move up first, right, to create one of these top wicks. So that would make perfect sense because the 4-hour is bullish, right? So you could say, okay, look, the 4-hour is bullish. We still need to move up on the daily to create a top wick, right? And then you go down to the lower time frame and you find the ranges that make sense, right? And then you can execute off of this idea. And then look, later on, you're going to notice, okay, the 4-hour hit a target, right? And now the daily candle is starting to come back down. So you'll see something like this where like all of a sudden the 4-hour candle is now bearish, right, due to this wick right here, and you see how you can correlate it up now. It's like, okay, now we can get bearish. So this might be an Asian session, right? This move up here, and then this other move might not come till New York session, you know, the hours and hours later, right? 8 hours later. So within that 8 hours, we came up, created that top wick, right? We did that perfect 4-hour structure. We came in. Now this top wick is this right here. And now look, we'd be looking for sells to start moving along with that that daily candle moving down. Now those would be our 4-hour, our sells, right? In the New York session. So you see how in Asian session, right, you could be bullish, right? Say over here is Asian session, but by the time you get over to New York, now you got a bearish candle on the 4-hour time frame, right, with that daily top wick already in place. So it's just about moving with the markets, right, understanding the flow of it all, and you do that by just correlating each time frame. So from the daily to the 4-hour over to the 1 hour, right, and you kind of put the story together. So yeah, that helped us a lot. That increased our win rate, increased our precision, our timing, everything, when we really kind of started letting the 4-hour time frame guide us more than the daily.
Spot on.
All right. Anyways, let's see how we do here. Let's see how we do. We got 4 minutes on the closure. We got 9:30 coming up. Let's move this probably, I'd say, down to 49.40, right? So let's see if we close above. If we do, then we might be getting a little frisky here, my friends. We might be getting a little frisky. So we'll see if this 15-minute can like close up pretty weak for the most part, and that next candle wicks up first. Let me show you guys. Let's say we do close above the range here. The next candle wicks up, right? Small wick starts coming down to fill the wick, fails. At 9:30, there's no reason we should be coming back up to break this high. And if that's the case, then I think our 4-hour might want to move back up here with that bullish bias. So I'll have a buy stop here on the break of the highs to come out of this overall rejection zone, back up top here. There's a 15-minute candle with no top wick that we can look to go break even at. Once it loads, loading, 30-minute. Oh, what happened? There we go. 15-minute with no top wick.
Not for 9:30.
The Matrix. Yeah, so 15 no top wick. We could probably look to close some partials up here as well, and yeah, we'll see. We'll see if we get it.
Yeah. That's funny. That sounds good. We shouldn't really do much more in this 1 hour here than we have done now. Like that.
Yep. 1 hour still bullish.
That 1 hour is still above range. So if you have switch, we have.
Hey. How much money you got? Hey.
Sorry, you got it?
So he just got hung up on.
How much money you got? How much money you got? How much money you got?
That's the attitude.
That's the attitude. Next. I love this kid. All right, he gets hung up on his sales call. Some of you guys cry. He does this.
How much money you got?
Hey.
How much money you got?
Hey.
How much money you got? Hey. How much?
That's what I do after a loss.
A lot.
Yeah, it's like this.
Hey, next.
A lot.
Next.
After taking a loss. Bro.
I was just to me after taking a loss following the plan.
Next.
There's something to take
love
away
that
from
guy.
this kid.
Yo, exactly. Enthusiasm. You know, he makes big money because he doesn't. He has one plan, and it's to sell life insurance. If the call doesn't go that way and it doesn't meet his plan, he's just on to the next, right? Still looking for his plan. Me, I'll be sitting there like ready to jump out the window, like another one. Like, you know, he's like another one next. I would be there like, damn, dude. I think I might need a new job. I can't do this anymore. No, you gotta be a savage when it comes to the phone sales, bro.
Really?
Word.
Wow.
Yeah, he shows rejection isn't the end. He basically shows you what most people are so afraid of, and that it's not that big of a deal. That's what I like about him. He shows you the worst case scenario is no big deal. That you could just hang out and have fun and still enjoy it and still be profitable and still make money and all that good stuff, right? Just like we talk about here in the markets, like you can still, you know, you could take a loss and still make a lot of money in trading. All right, talking about making money in trading, let's see if we can make some money here. We got closures coming up, so let me try and get ready here on Top Step as well. We're gonna need a little bit of a lower wick.
Oh yeah.
And then yeah, possible. I want to see the candle break the high and come down and make a low. So that way we get the attempt down, it fails, and then boom, we come back up there. Hopefully the candle, which it very well could, just get moving fairly quickly, you know, right away here. So we'll see. Bro, where's my stuff here? Like, where's my buy stop? Is it me or is it Project X or? I don't get what's going on. Am I
I think it's
tripping?
Project X though.
My goodness. Not at 9:30. Can anyone else take an order out?
Damn.
Oh my gosh. This is perfect. It's perfect. Oh man. Oh man. Hold on. Why is my order not opening up here? You got that too, Magnus, or? Refresh. Oh, there we go.
I don't know.
All right, here we go. Oh, here we go. Let's see. Dang. This honestly looks really good too. Is it just me? I just want to know, is it just me or are you guys having that issue too?
Yeah,
It's
really?
me? It's mine?
John, you got mine, huh?
John's stuck.
Yeah.
Oh, you good? Yeah, I don't know what's going on here. All I know is if we make a lower wick and re-break the high, it looks pretty good.
Re-break
So,
the low again here.
all right, here we go. Okay, I'm gonna have a buy stop
re-break the
here.
low and
Yeah, I think I'm good here.
then
Yeah, I'm
break
good with
a
the buy
high.
stop.
Ooh, yeah, fire. Yeah, same.
Okay, cool. So let's see if we can re-break that high. It's 9:30. I think if we can come up and re-break the high, we should be good to go. I think we can look for partials somewhere around 63.
Definitely.
And then, yeah, full TP up at like 76. Honestly, if you guys got in this and took a loss, you probably get your money back if it was a Top Step thing. I don't know. I don't know if it was, or whatever, Project X thing. I'm good at the impressions. You want to know why?
John, what happened, you said?
Yeah, I got in.
You're in? You better hit them up and be like, yo, what? What happened there?
Okay, yeah.
happened
Not
there?
bad.
Yeah, it's weird. It's good I didn't enter.
High never broke the lows.
I wouldn't have entered anyway. Yeah, I needed a high here first and then a low. Yeah, I don't know if we re-broke the high or not, but
He did re-break that.
did we?
Tough right there. Yeah.
Did yours like freeze up or no?
Yeah, that was weird. Like,
I think they did. That's a rug pull. They did it on purpose. John, email him right now. Literally. Be like, yo, I can't open or close positions. And then hit him with the how much money you got. A lot. How much money you got. They're running low? Yeah. What up, Green? I don't know what happened there. Yeah, I don't know. It looks like my internet might be a little choppy here too.
Holy.
Wow. 300. Yeah, we're probably gonna have to delete this.
What a move.
I don't know what's up with my internet
same.
here though.
taking a 9:30, man.
Don't be quaking.
What's going on,
Internet
internet?
can't be
That's
quaking
something
at
I told the
9:30.
people when they came in. I was like, Whatever you put in.
why at
Man.
9:30? Anytime.
Oh, we got other people that are just freezing up and lagging out too. Okay, yeah, me. I don't
And it's
know.
9:30.
Yeah, how you gonna do
I think
it?
it was
You
Wi-Fi.
know what's
though.
crazy? Project X is seeming to be like almost notorious for that to happen at the open, like 9:30.
Hmm.
Do. Okay, yeah, we're gonna have to delete this and wait now. I can't even delete it. Look, cancel an order. Nothing. Nothing.
I was about to say before, I don't think you get anything back.
Can you delete your
But if
orders?
that happens right there, maybe you do.
I could.
I
Yeah.
thought the same.
I deleted mine.
I
Oh
can
yeah,
too.
oh yeah, mine deleted now. My top step
Derek,
one
imagine when they
won't
set
delete.
up.
How many money?
Yeah, bro,
Insane.
I was shocked, bro. Honestly.
Yeah.
Screw it. Maybe wait and try and message him because it looks like other people's froze out too.
Yeah, I'll message them. We'll see what they do. Anything.
Yeah, you probably won't.
Link to Discord. Yeah, hit exclamation point Discord and it'll pop up for you. Yeah, it might have been my internet there. My internet might have quaked there at 9:30, but it seems like other people had a little issue
Yeah.
too. Am I freezing up on Zoom a lot?
Yeah, you froze up a little bit. Not anymore now.
All right, cool.
I think it was just internet, yeah. Yeah, you could hear it on Zoom. But no, it's fine now.
Oh yeah, a few more people. Looks like same deal. Interesting. How much lag you got? A lot. How much luck you got? A lot. How much luck you got? How many blown accounts you got? Top Step celebrating right now. How many blown accounts we got? A lot. How many blown accounts we got? Oh damn. Damn. Had the same issue and I'm not even in the United States. Interesting. Perfectly fine on YouTube. All right, good. The latency is red for you in Project X? Yeah, I don't know what's going on with Project X. It might have been my internet though. Could have been my internet real quick. Yeah, you see how slow it is? 5 also closed a no top wick there. Popped up in the first like minute. Let's see that minute.
Oh yeah, Nick, you got red refresh rate up there at the top right.
Oh. Wait, where? Oh, over here? Oh yeah, it must be like my
Up in
internet.
the top right, yeah, right there.
Let me check something. Give me 1 minute.
Kingman.
Kingman took the power out now. What were we talking about earlier? Damn. We might have been... I don't know.
Yeah, before, I don't even know.
Planning to move to Florida? Do it. Just, it's very hot in the summer, but other than that, man, beautiful. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. How could it be my internet if the YouTube stream is moving along perfectly fine?
No, bro. I think there's something with top step because
Oh, look.
I was trying
It's back.
to get going. It was
Oh.
freezing on my side.
Nice. We back.
John, hit him with the refresh rate was low.
Crazy, bro.
Yeah, hit him with that. Someone sent John a screenshot of it being in
They
red.
be saying like, get yourself some internet or something.
Imagine all of a sudden I was in profit on some trade. Like, oh, let's go. Never mind.
Imagine you couldn't close it and you still held it right now.
Oh my God, NQ is bleeding. Look at that. Wow. See, 930 would have been so nice to us today. Crazy. All right, let's see what Goldie's going to do. I'm more interested in gold anyway here. We're coming back up now. There's 4 minutes left, so probably going to be interested here. If we can hold the high, right, I'm going to have my buy stop on the break of the high at 9:45. We got 5 minutes, so anything can happen. I'm willing to sit on my hands, stay patient for the next 5 minutes as we're coming back up here, but man, you can really rip right now. So if we can close just like that, 9:45 should throw us a better lower wick. We can use that as our stop loss, and then the break of the highs here would be the entry. And then same plan, same idea as before. But
Yeah,
hopefully
like
we wait
that.
up. Hopefully we wait.
Let's see. Yeah, Anthony, I would just basically, if you're in drawdown right now in the combine, I would just take the next best trade. There's nothing really to do. Just wait for the best or the best trade that you can find. Don't settle for the okay trade. Just find the best of the best and go and see if you can make it on that trade. It's basically a combine, so you haven't lost anything. Only if you lose the account, you really lose anything. Or a thing, right? At $59 or what it is, 60 something. Yeah. So the real loss is only when we lose the account. But is it really a loss when we're thinking in terms of ROI, like we talked about early in the stream here? So yeah, I would just take the next best trade. Really nothing to do in terms of like that.
Yep.
Of course. But I've been down like 1,500. I lost the first trade on one of my combines, like 1,500 on like 3 of them, and I still made it back today. So
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. All right, 3 minutes. We'll see what we do.
yeah.
Yep. The best thing you could do is just show up and look for good trades. That's it. There's really nothing else you can do. Like, you can have all the goals, the 50 pips, the time frames. You can have all that stuff. But I mean, at the end of the day, what you're really doing is just showing up to the markets and doing the best you can at waiting for the number one setup of the session, right? And if you can do that day in and day out, you're not going to win every day, but you're going to overall be profitable over the long haul. Just by sticking to those 1 or 2 good trades a day and moving about your business like that. Like I said, I mean, even last month, if we go to last month, we'll see here. Why is this all like, see? Oh, there we go. So if we go here, all we see is 1 to 2 trades a day, right? 3 trades here. These trades here are a bunch of break-even trades, but that's like 2 or 3 trades, 1 trade, 2 trades, 2 trades, 3 trades, right? So like, you really don't need a lot. If you could just show up and wait for the best setup of the session, then you'll do really good for yourself, right? So again, just 2 good trades a day and you're golden. NQ, bye bye. All right, here we go.
Damn.
Gold.
I like it.
Yo,
Got the pack.
Nick, go to your settings real quick. On the left.
What'd you say? Go to what?
Go to settings on the left. You see that little right there.
I don't know why I'm clicking it. Bro, what's going on with this? Oh, look at my thing is back down to medium again. Bruh.
Yeah. That's what I'm
man.
saying, yeah. See what's happened. Top left on the very page, like that little.
Bruh.
The brow, yeah.
Hold on. Let me see if I could set an order.
Kind of like the brows.
Nah, I can't. Oh, there we go. Perfect. Okay, let's just lock in here real quick because we got 54 seconds left. So let's see what we can do here. If we can get a lower wick, then I like the buys on the way up to continue moving bullish. That's our second closure back above the range. We've got a nice clean zone, about 170 pips up. So let's see what we can do on this new candle. If we can get a little lower wick and then a break of the high, I think we're looking pretty good here. All right, let's try and delete.
But I gave away 1050Ks and it got better.
I can't even like cancel the order. Damn. Dang. Yeah, honestly, I don't know what's going on over here. How can you lose your funded account when you have such a high win rate? You could just over risk, blow them all. You know, like a lot of times, let's say I take a big payout, I'm gonna go pretty heavy on the next couple trades to try and get back up. And if I don't get them, then sometimes I don't even lose the trade. I'll just be so heavy, I'll just blow the account and draw down. Or sometimes it will be from a actual stop loss getting hit, but it's usually if I'm over risking, and I don't do that until after I have taken a good payout. So like on my top step accounts, like I just took almost 9K payout. So now, on a good trade, I'll over risk on that just to try and get it further up to like build up my buffer, and I'll risk the accounts for that move, right? So yeah, that's how it happens. That's how it happens. Might have to wait for the 30 here, man.
Yeah, might.
Yep.
Close below
it's not looking good.
Coming quite down here.
Yeah, not looking good. Might have to wait for the 30 closure above.
I don't know.
Yep, might even have to get a 15 bullish. Yeah, 15 bullish candle. Something like this.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think that's going to be best.
Yeah, same here. That'd be nice.
So you see how quick we can switch our bias? You see how quick we can go from our temptations of having to buy stop to, that's not really making sense anymore. Like, that's really not what our winning trades tend to look like. So once you spot that, you have to ditch that emotion, and now you have to draw up, okay, what's the next best plan here? So for this plan here now, I would probably need a bullish closure here. Instead of entering on the break of the highs, you get a bullish closure, right? Then you have a confirmation, and then we can move up. Because again, there's only 15 minutes left on the 4-hour candle now. Oh yeah, I forgot. Yeah, that's the thing, right? You got to remember what the 4 hour is doing, where it's at. So who knows what this candle can do in the next 15 minutes? Let's wait for the closure, and then if we have a bullish closure, right, then we could potentially wait for a lower wick and then get back involved in the buys. If we have a bearish closure, right, then you're most likely going to get a closure below 24, right, after a top wick, and then we can trade that whole range.
Yeah.
30 closure above, not bad. So 30 inverted celery, right, closing just like that, and then the next candle wicks down for the 4 hour, breaks the highs here. I think we get a good push somewhere up in here. Is it looking divergence? I think so. We have a lot of divergence. Struggling to pass 50K accounts. Can you suggest instant funded accounts? I wouldn't even do that. If you're struggling to pass accounts, I wouldn't go to the instant account. I would just get better as a trader. Your goal right now, okay, so you can't pass any accounts. So your goal right now should not be to make money on an instant funded account, right? Your goal right now should be to continue to learn how to become a good trader, right? Someone who trades well on a day-to-day basis, somebody who can pass accounts. So I think you're just getting a little too ahead of yourself, and you need to understand that you're probably still in the learning phase, and learn, do that. Do the learning thing, right? Don't skip that phase, because you have to learn in order to earn, right? So yeah, I think you just got the wrong idea. You don't want to make money right now. You want to learn. Otherwise, you may make money off of a couple trades that we call in the stream, but then you'll never be able to do it again, right? Until you actually learn how we were able to do it. So I would focus on learning right now, not earning. How much do I risk per trade per account? It's always different on different trades, but let's say I'm on a combine, like an eval account. Sometimes I'll risk the whole entire account on one trade. If it's one of these accounts, like let's say it's my top one instant funded account that I'm working on and trading serious, then I'll risk like $500 to $1,000 per trade to make 500 to 1,000. Yeah, but on combines, if the right trade shows up, I'll risk the whole combine. Like I'll risk the entire account, put 10 lots on it, and then just run that trade. And I know all I need is like in top one, I could pass it in one day. In top step, I just got to get half one day, half the next day.
Yeah, and that goes back to the ROI thing too. Like we see the numbers and we're like, I can't believe for like $100 or $50. So the only thing you really risk on that trade you take when you $50.
Exactly. And I know like on my live account, I'm willing to risk like 500 to 1,000.
Before there.
Yo, my internet's bugging.
Yo, Nick, settings.
Go to your settings, Nick.
Bro, I can't hear any of you guys.
Yo, that's mad funny.
What?
Yo.
Like Magnus talking, I can't even see him.
Hey, Rafi, can you hear me right now? Come on, Nick, go to settings. Yo, type it in the chat, everyone, so you can see it in the chat. Like, go to settings.
It's top step, and I'm in their Discord. Oh, damn. Bro, you guys are just chopping. I hear something about tell Nick. Tell Nick. Text me.
Are other issues with this?
It's only Nick.
Damn. Yeah. How much money you got? Oh, go to settings. Go to settings. Okay. Oh yeah, that's what Rafi was saying earlier. Go to settings. Okay.
See on top it says.
What'd he say? I can't hear.
Charts and data.
Charts
Nick.
and data. Okay.
Oh, you can't hear me.
I got you. I got little
go
bits.
fast.
Charts and data. Okay. Clubhouse. Okay.
Fast.
Next.
You see this? It says medium. You want to data update speed. You want to go fast.
Update speed. Update speed. Oh, okay. Fast. We got a fast car.
On the left.
Got it. Got it.
Hey.
We good?
Oh no.
All right. Why didn't you say that earlier, Rafi?
Oh no, you didn't hear me.
Bro, fast is worse.
Fast is
It
fast.
has to be slow.
Why is that?
Oh, I think you should put it on slow. I could be wrong, but it said if you should put it slower.
Really?
I was told the fast is the best.
Let's flip a coin.
That's what I was
If you have good, let's see.
I think this might mean it's time to play pickleball.
Yeah.
I got to get my warm-ups
15
in.
looking pretty good, but
Got a big game here today. Yeah, I'm going to wait on the 30-minute here, and this 30 like inverted cellular look golden.
G minus at medium too. Yeah. Yo. Nick, you gotta put that on slow.
Slow? Slow motion. Slow motion.
Oh wow, you're a few seconds behind, bro. Yeah. Jeez.
Yeah, that's wild. Try slow. Let's see now.
Yo, you know what? I think I'm done trading for the day. I think I'm done for the day. I don't know if this is going to work well. I don't think
No,
we
you're
should
good
be
now.
taking trades. Yeah, there we go. Okay. Let's see how quick
That's
we are.
mad funny.
Boom. Ooh, delete. Ooh, add. Ooh, delete. Okay. All right, we got
Got it.
motion now.
Okay.
All right, we're good.
Okay,
Got
fast.
Slow working.
W.
I don't know how well we can hear him or he can hear us, but we'll take it.
Can you guys hear me? Can you hear me now?
There.
Yeah.
Loud and clear.
Yeah.
You, can you, me, that,
Nah, stop playing.
taking profit right now. TP hit. I don't know what he said. All I heard was TP hit. Damn it. Oh, snap. All right, 4 minutes here. Enough. This is work. All right, this is work. No playing around here. Get serious.
Shoulda, coulda, woulda.
Might be pickleball time, boys.
Funny. Order for.
Buy. Stop. Hit. T. P.
I don't know. I'm taking this 15 here, but.
With the 4 hour closure coming up, do we still take buys? So yeah, so the thing is, let's go to the 4 hour real quick if we can. If we can. So yeah, I mean, if this 4 hour candle closes bullish, you know, we have really no choice but to potentially look for the longs here, right? So the 1 hour also coming back up. The 30-minute is looking not too bad here with the inverted celery. The thing is, you just like we wanted before, you're going to need a little bit of a high. Then you're going to need to come down and make that low. And then if we can kind of do that, and that can take 5 or 6 minutes at least, then we could have the buy stop on the break of the 30-minute high. So we'll wait and see if that happens at in about 3 minutes and 30 seconds. And if it does, we'll look to execute.
Yep.
Crazy, my bad. Hey, shout out to all the new people here. I promise it's not this slow every day. I promise.
Or ever. I don't
Refresh top step.
think I've ever had been like this.
Yeah, I don't think so. Bro, I'm afraid to refresh top step. But let's do it.
Don't.
You're fresh out after the pips.
Okay, I'm all refreshed. I'm all refreshed, baby. Rain on me. It might be that time, Green. It might be that time.
Ain't on me.
What's crazy is it's saying that, like, YouTube is not having an issue too much. Which YouTube usually has the issues first.
You're not really lagging or anything.
Damn, look at this, man. What just looked like it could have been a beautiful 30-minute inverted celery, your candle's all the way back down. Crazy. Delay on me. All right, let's see what we do. We got 1 minute. 1 minute. Man, NQ really melted. We melted. You guys see the NASDAQ here? Bye-bye.
Wow. That is insane. Looks like gold on Friday.
I know.
Dang.
10 a.m. news. Do we have 10 a.m. news? I didn't see that. I know we had it, but it looks like did they take it down? I seen something with like a government shutdown or something. Can you believe the government still thinks we care, whether or not they're open or not?
Bro.
They took it down? Gotcha. Okay. Yeah, that would be good, though. You know, if we could pop down right away, come up, break the highs. I need this candle to close better, though. Like, a little bit better.
Yep.
Dun, dun, dun. He said, I need my stamps. Oh, snap. You need a job. No, I'm just kidding. Who is that? Oh, that's green. Trust me, you don't need the stamps. The stamps keep you weak. Keep you dependent. Yeah, I got nothing here. No closure. Not the one that we wanted. This is nasty. 1 hour time frame. Nasty. Okay, as a professional trader, I want to exemplify that good trading here, and we should probably shut it down. Yeah, this is, I don't know what happened with the connection or the 1 hour is ranging here, and it's nasty.
Cool, I'm with that.
I'm with it. I don't know. I don't want to get into something and then the internet's quaking, but by the way, there's nothing to get into either. You know what I'm saying? Like the 1 hour is just super chopped here. Super chopped. So that's it. Let's wrap it up here. A little abruptly today with the weird internet quaking, but yeah, we'll let's call it right here. We'll come back for Asian session tonight. Tune into the live pickleball game at some point this afternoon. And yeah, good job at being patient, disciplined today. And by the way, if you took a loss, hit it. How much money you got? A lot. How much money you got? Next. All right. Next. All right, geez. Magnus, Rafi, John. See you guys later. I'll holla at y'all. Enjoy. I'll see you guys on. When will I see you guys? When will I see? Oh yeah, Asian session tonight. Yeah, I'll see you guys in Asian session. All my other friends, peace.
Have a good day.
Love. Wishing y'all everything coming from above. All right. Love you guys. Hope you guys have a great day, and we'll see you guys on the next session, my friends. All right. Later, Clubhouse. Yeah. Howdy, hoo-hee. What is this? Howdy, hoo-hee. What is this? Later, gang. Love you guys. Have a great day. We'll see you guys in the pickleball court. Peace.
OCOEE. Yeah. Hey. Yeah. Hey. Yeah. Hey. Hey. I need peace. I need love. I need everything that's coming from above. I need peace. I need love. I need everything that's coming from above. I want my dog. Ay, birds of a feather, we gon' fly together. Ay, we gon' rock forever like it's heavy metal. I ain't Christopher Columbus, I would never settle. I ain't Lewis, I ain't Clark, I would never settle. God told me I'm Olympic, for real. Ay, seek the kingdom, why you simping, for real? Why you talking, you should listen, for real. All this jaywalking got me limping, for real. Hey, jaywalking, hey, Jesus walking, hey, Jesus talking. Yo, big faith, yeah, I need a whole lot of that way, where I'm about to go like amigo. Can't see the vision, then you can't be me amigos. I call up my girl and then we pull up to the Rego. That's the only time we pay to see you acting way different. Way different. Same book, but the page different. The page different. Is it cliche to say I'm lane switching? Well, I'm lane switching. Hold on, let me put my turning signal on, so they see me coming. They still can't see me coming. Only two things that I need is peace. I need love. I need everything that's coming from above. I need peace. I need love. I need everything that's coming from up. They like, how he, who he, what is this? Hey, my studio is wherever I sit. Hey, I plug in the microphone and there you hear that click. Click, 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 click. It's a hit. Hey, way it hit them like, whoa, man. Hey, make them do the uh-oh, man. Hey, how you just came up with whoa, man. Flow electric, this is not a slow dance. Not a slow dance. We come together and we pray and hold hands.
grace, so wherever grace lands. He paid the price, ain't have no escape plan. Yeah, no plan. Yeah, no plan. Actually, his plan was the plan, so he planned it. Ayy, set the bar high, he the code, so I scanned it. Ayy, we saving souls on the campus. Ayy, but this ain't no religion, we ain't following your antics. Ayy, thank you, Lord, I sit like a praying mantis. Enemy just tryna see me sink Titanic. Never out, but I'm outlanded. Even when I'm out, soon as I land. Back to the beach, back to the sand. Is back to the only two things that I need is peace. I need love. I need everything that's coming from above. I need peace. I need love. I need everything that's coming from above. Remix. We back at it. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's get it. Let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Let go, let God, let go, let God, let go, let God, let go, let God. Come on, God made rivers, God made lakes. God made me, so you gotta pay my rate. Y'all got holy Bible pockets on me, thank God we straight. Even though I might pull up late, I ain't never too late. I'm saying my grace like God is great. Decorate this ice like birthday cake, just tap to the food, I'll make my plate. I don't mean to be rude, you fake your face. Pull up in the church in the rave. You know what's going on like Marvin Gaye. I keep on K, just pardon me. You new to the game like Shawshank. I gotta let go like love, forgive me. You know we in the house. We got it going up like chimney. It's not just on me, it's in me. Devil, you can pull up in the hood if you want to. South Park, who killed Kenny? Father, Son, Holy Ghost. You don't want smoke with any. With any. Come on, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's get it. Let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Come on. Let go, let God, let go, let God, let go, let God, let go, let God.
I need bass, attention on me, call me bae. Money bass, it took my soul, you buy me bae. Greed and sway, lowly humble, which one lasts? The demon stepping, blew them thing back like Christmas past. Let go, let grace, let go, live life. Can't help myself, you took them stripes, you took my strength. How I can't forget them folks, but try to leave my way. I mean it, Memphis Rocky, hear your father, turn your cheek, don't fight. I'm rapping my tail off, I'm shipping the mail off. I'm getting my prayers off, taking my hands off. I wake in the morning, then get out the box like Kellogg's. So much from day to day, feel like a featherweight, gave it to God to take care of. Hey, few, I let go, let God, let me go catch my red eye.
Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Let go, let God, let go, let God, let go, let God, let go, let God. I am KB, that there 1K, tell them twin identical. Pride on minimal life behind these thoughts, my album criminal. I can't do subliminals, what you think is not this critical. Watch out, it'll go. Christ gon' trump your